This is a SH001 webcam, so the holder have been upgraded when you got the SH001. At the back have a screw. Raise and screw it first. And then this is the holder. You need to put the holder screw here. Okay, so how we screw it? This one is adjustable. You can see this one is adjustable. This is a cushion part. This is adjustable as well. So you need to screw. You need to install the holder like this, okay? Not this, okay? The cushion part facing forward, okay? And then you take out the screw and screw it. Okay, so this is how I install the webcam. And this one is adjustable, and you can fix on any laptop, monitor. Okay, now I'm going to show you, just one moment. So this one is a monitor. Okay, this is the monitor. How you put, okay, this one you can do like this. This one moves forward. Okay, this is how we put the webcam. Okay, you can adjust this one. Okay, it's up to you. If you want to move up, okay, you can do like this, facing up, facing down. Okay, use the part like this one. The anchor is facing down. Okay, this is how we put, this is how we install the webcam. Thank you for watching.